is Pythagoras?
Yes.
Reptiles 800?
Southeast Asia.
This tornado warning is until, that hasn't populated on here. This tornado warning is until 5:15.
Yeah, it hasn't, like you said, populated in the National Weather Service chat. Okay, at 4:49, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over East Peoria, or near Peoria, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Radar indicated rotation. Potential impacts, flying debris. I think that goes without saying. Damage to roofs, windows, vehicles will occur. Tree damage likely. This dangerous storm will be near Washington and Germantown Hills.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for central Woodford County, northeastern Tazewell County, east central Peoria County until 5:15 p.m. At 4:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over East Peoria, or near Peoria, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Washington and Germantown Hills around 5 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Eureka, Metamora, and Roanoke. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 90 and 96.
Zone 74.
So we have a tornado warning. I'm going to check on our rotation. So our main area of rotation is approaching Germantown Hills. This is radar indicated. This storm is capable of producing a tornado. That area of increased shear is heading towards Germantown Hills. It is east of Peoria as we speak.
Yeah, it looks like it's almost completely within a triangle if you could picture Peoria to Germantown Hills to Washington.
All right, sorry about that, folks. I had a computer glitch. You can see the roads and everything. Okay.
Hey,
We have a
it's raining.
very intense
Look what happened.
area of rain and hail moving
Yeah, I
into
just
the
got
Peoria
stuck in hail.
area as we speak. Now that is included in this tornado warning polygon now. I'm gonna
Wow.
check our CC and debris. We do have
Yeah, it's
very
getting bad outside.
minor
Wow.
debris signature. It's very small. This is a radar indicated tornado approaching Germantown Hills. That's kind of the main area of rotation that we see. North of 24 is where we're seeing that. North of 24. Now Peoria, East Peoria, we are seeing another round of heavy rain and hail moving into the city right now. we do not. Okay, so there's our next scan update. Seeing an intense area of rotation. Germantown Hills, seek shelter now. Washington, get to your shelter. Harvard Hills, seek shelter now. We have an intense line of shear coming in. We have velocity signatures of radar. This is a radar indicated tornado in Peoria County going along Highway 24.
Oh, damn. That's why the sirens are going off
I
outside.
put the storm cone tracker to this, Molly, and that part right there. I can read through that.
Go ahead.
Germantown Hills 503. These are communities I'm referencing that are in line for this
Wow.
tornadic storm. Washington 506. We're at 455 right now. Metamora around 512. Casanova 518. Roanoke 525. Washburn 526. Benson 534. You live there, know somebody that lives there, certainly need them to be aware, be in your safe place. Yeah, I can definitely see the rotation right above you there, Molly, just to the north and east of Peoria. That would be north and west of Washington, I believe, right? By Germantown Hills.
This area of rotation is approaching Germantown Hills as we speak. So Germantown Hills, you need to seek your shelter now. A quick update. We actually do have a flash flood warning now active in Peoria because of these multiple rounds of heavy rainfall. Be aware of ponding on roads with this, but of course our primary concern right now is this radar indicated tornado. So you can see on our map here we have multiple areas of intense rainfall within this polygon here. Now Spring Bay, you're not included in the tornado warning, but you do have an intense line of thunderstorms heading your direction right now that does have hail indicated on our radar. Germantown Hills, you need to be in your shelter now. This storm is going right through your area. This is radar indicated rotation that we are seeing. Metamora, get to your shelter. Casanova, get to your shelter.
It's moving northeast with 35 miles an hour.
We got a cone going there.
Okay, Woodford County. Tornado warning until 5:15.
We'll see if they cancel or shrink polygon area on this. Germantown Hills, 5 o'clock. Metamora, 5:10. Casanova, 5:16. Washburn, 5:24. Roanoke, 5:25. That is the cone that we have for this radar indicated tornado.
I just an update just came down, Molly. I can hit it here for you.
Yes.
This is fresh too. The tornado warning for East
Huh?
Central Peoria County has been canceled, but
Thank you.
now this tornadic thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area. Therefore, that warning has been canceled. Right? But there is a warning still in place, or just issued. Let me back up here again so I read this correctly. Tazewell and also
Woodford County.
Thank you. Yeah.
So yeah, as you can see, for the folks on our live stream, they've shrunk the area of that tornado warning. It does extend through Tazewell and Woodford counties, no longer in Peoria County, but you can see that area of rotation right here going through Germantown Hills. If you are in Germantown Hills, get to your shelter now. You can have the live stream going or turn up the volume on your TV. We will continue to broadcast through this warning. There's a very large portion of our viewing area being impacted by a flash flood warning
trying to get a line on this one. It looks almost like maybe there's a fresh scan here. Germantown Hills. Is that, you picking up?
I'm seeing
feeling
it, yes.
Yeah, okay,
I'm
so I'm
seeing
not,
that.
okay.
Do you have your chat up on
I do.
here, Jeff?
Okay, let me do a little research here.
Metamora, you need to be getting to your shelter now. Spring Bay, looks like there's a cluster going just to your east now. Cazenovia, you are in this warning. You need to be seeking shelter. This is a long line that has a strong wind signature on it with our shear marker. There's also hail indicated with this as well. I'm not really seeing a debris signature in this current scan, but I can see very clearly that area of rotation now approaching Metamora. So Metamora, you need to be getting to your shelter now.
Several viewer reports, and the ones that you passed along to me, they're not confirmed at this point.
We're sending some information that viewers have sent in to the National Weather Service.
Okay. We have some fresh data here, all right?
All right.
Tornado warning remains in effect until 5:15 for northwestern Woodford County. At 5 o'clock, which is in essence now, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Germantown Hills. Molly touched on that. Or 8 miles northwest of Eureka. It's moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. This is radar indicated rotation.
I do want to just break in for a second here.
Sure.
Washington, you have an intense area of wind and hail moving into the northern portion of the city. You do not have a tornado warning or any rotation over the city, but you do have intense line of thunderstorms approaching that will bring in heavy rainfall, damaging wind, as well as hail. So make sure that you are ready to take shelter if you need to. We're still currently watching this radar indicated tornado that's going through Woodford County and is on track to go into Metamora probably in the next 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay, the tornado warning for Tazewell County, I'm not sure if I mentioned that, but that has been canceled now for Tazewell.
So it looks like they're going to shrink to the area. So this is only going to be impacting Woodford County now. This tornado warning is impacting Woodford County. Germantown Hills, the threat is now off to your east. Metamora, get to your shelter now. This tornado radar indicated rotation is going right along State Route 116. So Metamora, be ready to either get to your shelter or start getting to your shelter now. This is radar indicated rotation for Woodford County.
Spotter information, is very important, but we need to be cautious what we relay as far as, we want to make sure it's confirmed, naturally.
Seeing multiple reports of hail within this system, but of course we do have that radar indicated rotation as well. Velocity here. Try to see in a broad area, folks, if you're looking at the live stream, you can see that dividing line between the red and the green going through Washington and up into Metamora. But see, where we're watching in Metamora, between Metamora and Germantown Hills, that's actually the rotation that we're keeping an eye on. Other areas that are just seeing kind of that straighter line, that is a good indication of just straight line winds. So we are still seeing that active threat for radar indicated rotation, now going past Germantown Hills and moving into Metamora. So Metamora, you need to be in your shelter now. Peoria, East Peoria, Bartonville, Marquette Heights, we're we're not out of the woods yet. We are still dealing with a long track of heavy rainfall with this thunderstorm system. Pekin, get ready for some intense rainfall and hail as well coming into your area with this thunderstorm, although we do not see any rotation on that system off towards the southwest. So we are still focusing on the radar indicated rotation, now entering into Metamora. Metamora, you need to be in your shelter now with this radar indicated rotation. Cazenovia, you need to be seeking shelter as this is approaching your area as well. Again, this tornado warning will be with us until 5:15, and it is for Woodford County. Now, this is radar indicated. We have not gotten any confirmed reports, but you area in green. Now, that may be weak shear, but it is a very good indication of strong winds with this. It's a very good indication of strong winds.
Right here. Yep, that's just what.
Right around that. So this has gone past Germantown Hills now. This is to the east of Germantown Hills, but this is on its way through Metamora and on its way into Cazenova as well. And you can just see that large area of purple on our map here. Plenty of hail moving into the Metamora area on our Viper hail swath. Here you can see that large area of that hail core. The track of this storm as it is going towards the north-northeast. So we have Metamora and Cazenova expected to be impacted by this. Not only do we have high areas of wind and hail, but there's also a flash flood warning for a lot of our counties because of the heavy rainfall.
Yeah, I see some of the communities to take note of here that are in the path of this tornadic storm. Metamora around 510, Cazenovia 518, Roanoke around 528, Benson 538 should hold together as well. Toluca 550, Minot as well.
So the areas that are just currently in this warning, Cazenovia, Metamora, Roanoke, you're in that warning. So should we see this storm continue to hold together, you are next in line. Benson, just outside of that polygon. Minunk is outside of the polygon as well. But should this hold together, you could see this move through. Now the rotation has gotten a little messy, but you can still see it just to the north of Metamora. It's not quite as well defined as what we were seeing earlier. I have not seen an extension on this warning yet, so this is still expected to be with us until 5:15.
Now, the National Weather Service echoed what you just said, Molly. The area of rotation. Now, I don't want to get into weatherman meteorological speak, but the rotation is weakening, so that's a positive. That's a plus.
There is reports of golf ball-sized hail in Metamora, though. Damaging wind and hail, both a concern with this, and we are seeing reports of that in Metamora.
Molly, the National Weather Service has expired the tornado warning for Woodford County.
All right, control room. We will go off the air once we see this warning polygon actually expire on the map, but it does sound like they're expiring that tornado warning. We're going to stay here until it is fully expired from our map. But we are getting multiple reports of golf ball-sized hail in Woodford County in the Metamora area. Golf ball-sized hail being reported.
I don't want to jump to conclusions. It almost looks like we're on the back end of this.
Yeah, it looks like, so Peoria, Pekin, Bartonville, say in the next half hour, we're going to be in the clear from the rainfall. and then Pontiac, Bloomington, Minot, El Paso. That rainfall is going to be moving into your region here pretty shortly.
Okay. I think that's enough. I already seen it enough. Okay. I'm gonna have to end the video now. See you on the next episode. Peace out, home dog.